Hi, in this video you'll learn about Python Package Manager, PIP. PIP is a recursive acronym that stands for pip installs packages. So this tool is used to install, update or uninstall a Python package which are not part of standard Python library. So in this example, we'll install a Python module Selenium. Check if pip is installed. Open a command prompt and type the following command: pip minus minus version. This will output the version of the pip command. So pip 24.0 version is installed on this machine. Let's install Python Selenium module using pip command. So to install the Selenium library, use the following command: pip install Selenium. Enter this command. This will install the Selenium library. And it will also install the necessary dependencies on Selenium. Before writing Python's Selenium scripts, we need to install this library on the development machine. This will take some time depending on your machine configuration. Here you can see it is installing all the dependencies as well as the Selenium library. That's it. This video is a part of Selenium Python beginner course. So hope you understood how to install Selenium Python library using Python package manager pip. So to upgrade the pip, you can use the following command: Python -m pip install minus upgrade. This will upgrade the Python package manager to the latest version. This will uninstall the existing pip version and then reinstall the latest version. You can cross verify using the version command, pip minus minus version. That's it.